Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And tonight we actually are changing up. We're at Sahara. First time I've ever been here. What are we here for?
We're here to go to Bazaar Meat.
Yeah, so Bazaar Meat apparently is supposed to be one of the best steakhouses here in Las Vegas. So come along with us.
Let's go.
Here we go.
And 12.
I love how these look. They're so cool.
All right, so first course here. Cotton candy foie gras.
And they said to take it all in one bite.
All in one bite. Cheers.
Cheers. Whoa.
Interesting. Thank you.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, so I didn't think the cotton candy was going to be sweet because it's white. It was sweet.
Yeah, it's like literally cotton candy and then a jelly of foie gras inside of it.
It's like
Maybe it's just cold
mind-blowing.
foie, but
It's so good.
good start.
Life really isn't like that.
Do you see those dinner rolls?
Oh my gosh.
They look so good.
All right, delicious fresh dinner rolls, some beef tartare that was just prepared tableside.
Yeah, was totally shocked at that.
Yeah,
I
we
was
were not prepared for
expecting
that. But we are now, so we're gonna eat it.
So are you gonna make yours like a sandwich?
I think that's what he said.
Okay.
Make it like a slider.
Oh, okay.
So they already have it cut.
Man, it's been a while since we've had some tartare.
Yeah, it is. I want to say we probably had some at Michael Mina, right? Or was that, no, that was tuna.
That was tuna.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've
here
never
we go.
had a tartare slider.
tartare slider.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
First off, the salt on the bun. Every time I have it, every time I see it, I want to put salt on my bread at home and I always forget.
I was thinking that when they brought that out. Wow, that is really good.
Super tender.
It's tender, but you can feel a chew to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's got, I can't distinguish that flavor.
So they did say that this is the, I think it's like Beke Vieja, which I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, but it is like the aged beef, which is like 8-year-old cow, which has a very beefy flavor. So
You can
it's supposed
taste
to
it.
be, yeah. I'm gonna try a little bit without the.
Yeah, there's a freshness to it, and I can't place it. But that is some of the, that's delicious tartare.
It is. A bit more acid than I was expecting. Like, if you try it without the bun, But it's great. I would highly recommend getting it. I'm gonna destroy this.
And the other two.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you at steak. All right, Wagyu ribeye, butter potatoes. Apparently, it's like so much butter, a little bit of potato.
It's like coming out like ice cream.
Are you gonna try it?
Well, I'm gonna scoop you some first.
Smoothest mashed potatoes ever. All right, so the beef. You do order it by the pound. They said most of them are generally about 2 pounds. So when you're looking on the menu, it says per pound. Anticipate it being a 2-pound steak. That's why we only got one.
Yeah, and it is bone in.
It is bone in. So that's why you got this giant bone right here.
Are you gonna eat that? He is.
That is delicious.
That's it.
All right, I've been trying my best to not say beefy flavor, but it's beefy.
I took an outer edge part, has a little bit more of the fat on it. That is so flavorful. He also brought us a little small thing of salt.
I do think I'll use a little bit of the salt.
I think I think I will too, actually.
After the meat that I ate off the bone, but I'm gonna go ahead and try a little bit of this without. And I gotta say,
I like it.
I have a hard time having mashed potatoes and steak and not just dipping my steak in the mashed potatoes. Did you do it?
No, I dipped mine in the salt. Okay.
In the salt. You're a
My
wild
steak in the
person.
salt.
Yeah.
It was good. I needed the extra salt. I actually really liked the extra salt. I'm with Josh. I don't normally need mashed potatoes by any means, but I will eat those ones.
See how fancy I did that? Yeah.
You should have said bam.
Bam. All right.
This is delicious. What do you think of your steak? Have you had a bite of it yet?
It's very good. I'm gonna have another one now that I've got the salt on there, though.
Yeah, I think that elevated it. Like,
sure?
It's amazing what salt does. It's a fantastic. Thank you.
Yep, the salt.
It's amazing,
yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, it truly is amazing at what that salt changes the flavor. I think it elevates it. It's just one of those. It's a beefy flavor,
does.
but it really elevates it having that salt on there.
Yeah, it's got a good sear on it.
This is delicious.
The meat is delicious. Oh, and round 2 of drinks. We did go for
beer.
a couple beers.
This is good.
All right, we're gonna get down on this. All right, just finished up here at Bazaar Meat. That was delicious.
It was delicious, and I told Josh, you need this salt.
Yeah.
You definitely need it.
We
But
definitely put a little bit of the extra salt on it. Apparently they do put the same salt on the steaks after they're done cooking it, but we wanted a little bit more, and the waiter said he always brings it because a lot of times, the steak is thick and it's not going to get evenly on everything, so it allows us to do that.
Yeah, now, let me tell you, I'm still trying to wrap my mind around that cotton candy.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah,
Wow.
that was good.
It's one bite. It truly blew my mind. So it was delicious.
And for me, I like the steak tartare the most, actually.
That was good too.
I thought that was very good. Just so many flavors going on in that. But it was delicious. This place, it's really interesting. There's like alligator heads everywhere with beads on them. We'll try to show you guys what it looks like.
It's a cool vibe.
Yeah.
I would never have guessed it to be here in the Sahara.
No.
And I would come back.
Yes.
I think this place is delicious.
This is the reason to come to the Sahara.
Yes. See, your first time here, and you have a reason.
And I already like it. Yeah, maybe I should stay.
That's right.
We'll see.
I'm excited. This is our first meal on this trip. And there is a lot of stuff we haven't done in a lot of places we haven't been. So I'm excited to show you guys this trip.
Me too. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All our links are down below.
Thank you.